Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I want to show you how to make a cover page in Word. Enjoy! If you wanna looks like a professional, a very important thing is to have cover page on your document, and now I will show you how to do it. It's easy in Word. You can do it by application here in the left side of the menu. It's named cover page, and I will show now how. So left click on a cover page and you can choose from many theme, or you can get more theme from the website. My favorite is this one. We have here two image. It's able to edit document title, document subtitle, date, company name, and some attributes like this. So let's go. Title for me it will be How Easy. Subtitle is project. We can change the images. It's easy by the right click and change picture from the file. Here I have prepared two pictures. This one will be to the up. You can zoom it a little bit. So we insert two images. Usually we insert images like logo of the company or logo of the university, med school, whatever. Date. Company name I usually don't use because I use my own name. Company address usually my email. So for example, it's all what we have for option, but we can do another thing. Easily click to the area around this rectangle and click enter. You can add whatever you want, so like a website. So it was all for today. Of course you can change the size of the text or font of the text or add more pictures. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe or comment this video. Stay tuned because in next videos I will show you how to make a table of contents or how to add some photos and table of photos. So we will see you next time. Ciao.